We are going to split to oxidation half and reduction half. So oxidation half. So under oxidation half we have Mg, then equal to what? Mg2 plus. Mg2 plus. Then under reduction half, under reduction half we have Ag plus equal to Ag. Ag plus at the reactant side equal to Ag at the product side. So that is the what? The next step. That is the next step to take. Now after that, you are going to balance the number of what? Of atoms at the oxidation half side and the reduction half. You balance the number of atoms. So let's see maybe the number of atoms present are balanced. Now at this side we have one what? Magnesium. We have one Mg. This charge on it do not have anything to do with the number of atoms. When you are counting the number of atoms, you don't count the number of what? The number of charge. You don't count the number of charge. So the coefficient of this Mg is 1. It shows that we have 1 Mg. So at this side, the coefficient is 1. We have 1 magnesium at this side. Now let's look at reduction half. We have 1 silver at this side, Ag, 1 Ag. At this side too we have 1. So our equation is balanced. Our equation is balanced. Now the next step we are going to take is to what? You balance the oxidation number at both sides. You are going to balance the oxidation number at both sides. By what? By adding electrons. By adding electrons. Then don't forget that when you are adding electron, it's just like you are subtracting electrons. Because electron is what? Is negatively charged. Electron is negatively charged. Now let's write their oxidation number. This one is 0. While this one is what? Is plus 2. So you are going to equalize what? Oxidation number at both sides. The oxidation number of the reactant side must be equal to the oxidation number of the product side. Now you consider the side where you have more oxidation number. You consider the side where you have more oxidation number. So we have more oxidation number at this side, more than this side. Now what will I subtract from 2 that will give me 0? What will I subtract from 2 that will give me 0? So I will what? I will minus 2 from 2. So therefore you add what? You add 2 electrons. You add 2 electrons. Addition of 2 electrons is like you are taking away what? You are taking away 2 from this what? From this oxidation number. So the charge on this magnesium is plus 2. Now let's consider electron. Electron is minus, which is the same thing as minus 1. So minus 1 times plus 2 will give us minus 2. So plus 2 minus 2 will give us 0. So this side is also equal to 0. So we've equalized what? Oxidation number at both sides. We have equalized oxidation number at both sides. Now you come to what? The second half reaction. Come to redox half. Balance oxidation number at both sides. At this side we have what? Plus 1. This plus is plus 1. Then the oxidation number of this Ag is what? Is 0 because it is a free atom. It is a free atom. Now you equalize what? Oxidation number at both sides. Now you are going to consider the side with more oxidation number. You consider the side with more oxidation number. We have plus 1 here. So what will I take away from plus 1 that will give me 0? I will minus 1. When you minus 1 from 1, it will give you what? 0. So it shows that you are going to what? Subtract electron from this side. That will be Ag plus E minus. So you are going to take away 1 electron from this side, then equal to what you have at the product side. Now let's check maybe oxidation number is balanced at both sides. The charge on this one is plus. Then we have only 1 what? Silver. So that will be plus 1. Now the charge on this is minus 1. The charge on this is minus 1. Minus 1 times plus will give us minus 1. Then which is equal to the charge. This one has no charge. Then it is a free atom. The oxidation number will be equal to 0. Now plus 1 minus 1 will give you 0. So 0 equal to 0. So we have equalized oxidation number at both sides. So this one is balanced. So this one is balanced. Now the next step, consider the number of electrons at this side, at the first half and the second half. The number of electrons from the first half reaction must be equal to the number of electrons at the second half reaction. We have 2 electrons here. We have 1 electron here. So we are going to multiply this one by 2 to give us 2 electrons. So we multiply our equation by 2. We multiply our equation by 2. That will be 2 times Ag. We give us 2 Ag plus, then plus 2 times E will give us 2 E minus, then which is equal to 2 times Ag will give us 2 Ag. We give us 2 Ag. So we have balanced what? Both number of electrons and oxidation number at both sides. At both sides. Now the next step to take, this electron we cancel this electron. So we are going to cancel the number of electrons out. Now you now what? Combine the 2 half reaction. So to get the final answer, you combine the 2 half reactions. So you combine the reactant side together and you combine the product side together. Now the reactant side here is what? Is Mg. That will be Mg. We have only one what? Particle at the reactant side. So let's come to the reactant side here. We have only 2 Ag plus 2 Ag equal to, then the product side here we have Mg2 plus, Mg2 plus, then plus, then you come to the product side here. The product side here is what? 2 Ag plus 2 Ag. So this is the final